As an expecting mother, the thought of me not being with my child after maternity leave scared the shit out of me. And even with absolutely no experience outside my current job, with no clue on how to and with restricted time, I'm sharing with you that with just 5 hours a week, no matter the lack of experience you have and no matter how much time you have, how many months today are spending time with the children, building an online business with no product, no service. And now this free video series has been an absolute game changer when I started my business online. And I've put a link somewhere around these videos if you're curious to check that out. You see, my job as a yoga teacher is fulfilling and I love it. But the thought of being away from home most days, 7 days a week, leaving my newborn child of just few months with someone else was no sense. It made me feel awful and powerless. I wanted to see my baby growing and sharing him quality time and presence, but also continue investing time in the job and career and lifestyle I love, securing my family with real financial stability. And this free video series was exactly what I needed. They changed my perception of what it is possible having an online business that performs and gave my life a new direction and purpose. And I've never been a techie person nor had business experience, but when I watched these video training, they gave me hope and a new sense of purpose. They provided me with tools I needed to start the business from scratch based on my passion. And it was just what I was looking for. And with just my laptop and Wi-Fi, I can now work from home, have a healthy income while progressing in my career. More importantly, I will get to see my baby growing without missing out on the big moment. And all of this is going to be possible because I watched this free video series and watch it for yourself. Click that blue Learn More button above for mobile or below from if you're watching from desktop. And in a few months, I started running my online business and I can now have that peace of mind and finally be in line with my value and lifestyle. Enjoy and extend the maternity leave till I feel like. And with more than a healthy income stream, this simply goes on autopilot. And I'm now in the stage of my journey which I want to give back, and I want you to see the free video series that I had that changed my life already. But here's the catch. I want you to check that blue link button if you want to make a change for yourself. And if you believe you can claim the right to have the time and freedom to make your own choices in life. The amazing thing is that you're not alone in the process. You'll meet many others from all walks of lives. Experience it right now. What does it mean building a life with time and financial freedom? Learning how to secure financial stability with a business online. And learning how to work with your passion at your terms. Learning how to drive an automated income stream while dedicating time to what's important for you. And I know this sounds too good to be true. I've been there. But you won't know it till you click the video and judge it for yourself. And I'm certain you will get a lot out of it. So that's all for now. Hope to see you on the other side. Bye.